look inside!
Holy moly.
Oh no! This car has no power! It drives like a smoker lung! There is nothing coming out! What's wrong? TDI! The car is moving up. Turbocharger is new, but still no power. We think this here, this is problem. Catalyst shit. This looks not so good. Lose it. Oh no, look inside. This catalytic converter is completely clogged. We have to fix it. We need this for professional reparation. The first one is did it. Now we have to hammer more and more, but you see, the roots is coming out, the coal. Use a bigger tool. Bigger is always better, and now hammering. Hammering until the doctor comes. It's a very strong product. You need much power. May you want to try this for woodwork? Long way to go. Hard man working. I think this tool is the end solution.
Oh yeah.
Ha ha ha. Try next good tool. In Bavaria we say Gorsfuß. Echt frisch.
Oh yeah. Much money. Oh yeah.
50% empty.
Holy moly.
Now it is durchgestoßen.
Big boy. Last piece. Wow.
Perfect. Wow, so much money. Now we can go shopping. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Creamy. This creamy.
And this was the problem. A default EGR valve. EGR always open. This is solution.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. He split things up his catalytic converter. Spit on that thing. Time for a test drive. Powerful again. Wow. Happy customer.